Unleash the power of performance with our foldable e-bike, designed to conquer every challenge the city or trail throws your way. Equipped with a 1500W brushless motor, this e-bike reaches exhilarating speeds of up to 37 miles per hour and tackles 30-degree slopes with 80 Nm of torque. Experience unparalleled comfort and safety. The 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires provide superior traction, while the dual suspension system absorbs every bump, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. With 3 riding modes, hydraulic dual brakes, LED lights, and a clear LCD display showing your speed and battery level, you're always in control. Powered by a UL-certified 48V 20AH battery, this e-bike offers an impressive range of up to 55 miles on a single charge. The removable and lockable battery charges quickly in just 4 to 6 hours, making it perfect for both adventurous rides and daily commutes. And with IP54 waterproofing, you can ride confidently in any weather. Effortlessly conquer any terrain with the 21-speed gear system, featuring a Shimano 3-speed front derailleur and a Shimano 7-speed rear derailleur. Whether you're climbing hills or cruising flat roads, enjoy smooth and precise gear shifting for the ultimate riding experience. Designed for the urban commuter, this e-bike is foldable for easy portability, fitting perfectly in your car trunk or on public transport. It comes equipped with front and rear mudguards for daily rides, a phone mount and charging port for on-the-go convenience, and a rear rack for carrying your shopping or packages. Whether you're exploring new trails or navigating city streets, this foldable e-bike combines power, comfort, and convenience in one sleek package. Ride smarter, ride farther, ride with confidence. Elevate your commute and adventure with our foldable e-bike. Your ride redefined.